to show you how to make butterflies and flowers.
Welcome to our channel. We are the David brothers.
These are some butterflies that we have already made. We need papers and scissors.
So, we need a square paper. So we are going to cut this paper in half. Like this. You can follow my steps in your house. After cutting it, you will see that you get a square paper. Now, you need to fold the paper into half. It should be equal. Then we need to fold it again. After folding this is a tricky part. You need to take this paper and make it in this shape. You can pause the video if it is hard to make. I'll show you again. You need to take this corner, put your hand here and fold it. Do the same with the other side. Then you will get something like this. Take two this side and two this side. Then fold it. Make sure you press it hard. Then make it a triangle like this. And from this side where you see all this, cut it. After doing this, then you have to fold it again and do it the same with the other side. Take this part and then fold it till the back over here. Make sure that you have not pressed this part, because if it's flat, it won't look good. Like this. Fold it like this. Here you have your butterfly. Now we have made the butterfly. Now Zain is going to show you how to make a flower. You need a rectangle paper for this. Make sure it's not A4 size paper. It should be small. You need to cut the paper in half to do this. Now, you need to make small strips of this. Make sure you leave some gap over here. Now we will fast forward it. So Zain has cut this and now he is going to do this. So this is complete, and now you need another strip of paper and roll it. So I have put pink color also in this. You can add different colors to it, and you can make your butterfly sit on it, make a stand for it. You can use different colors for your butterfly. Hope you like the video. Please like, share, subscribe. Bye.